Hello. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss creation and evaluation of large language model cells in Jupyter Chatbooks for the Python kernel of the Jupyter framework. To get started using Jupyter Chatbooks, you have to install the Jupyter Chatbook package from py.org or from GitHub. Before diving into the presentation, I would like to point out that there are 4 different ways to access large language models in Jupyter Chatbooks, and the most important one is the one with notebook-wide chats or multi-cell chats. I have discussed that in another video. The fundamental ones are programmatic. These are the ones listed here to the right. And the one we are going to be focusing on in this presentation is to directly access the services of OpenAI and Google Palm. So OpenAI provides ChatGPT and DALL-E, Google provides Palm. All right, so I'm going to go to Visual Studio Code, integrated development environment, and create a new file, a new Jupyter notebook. I'm going to zoom here. And I'm going to select the kernel in which I have this package installed. So Jupyter Chatbook. Here I'm importing the package. Here I'm going to load the extension provided by that package. I'm going to zoom out a little bit at this point. All right, so here I'm going to put magic specification. This is for ChatGPT, and I'm going to dictate list Japanese painting styles. And yeah, ideally we're going to get some list of Japanese painting styles. And let me study this a little bit. All right, so I'm going to use a Palm cell, and I'm going to ask a certain haiku to be generated. Generate a random Japanese haiku. Since Palm tends to be a little bit too verbal sometimes, I just want to say one haiku. All right, so when the haiku is being generated, I am going to use it and generate a painting with it using DALL-E. So it's taking way too long. Okay. Yeah, fair enough. So DALL-E is image generation service provided by OpenAI. So I'm going to dictate again. Generate a painting in the style of Yamato-e for the following haiku. And yeah, I think I read it correctly, yamato-e, right? So here for the haiku, by default, when you generate anything, text, pictures with large language model cells in the Jupyter Chatbook, the result is being placed into the clipboard. And so this is what happened here. I just pressed Ctrl V or Command V, and I got this haiku pasted in the cell. So ideally we're going to get some kind of something that corresponds to the haiku, and it seems to be the case. I'm going to generate say 3 images like this, and let's see what is going to happen. Probably we'll see some more varieties. All right, so yeah, pretty good, and they seem all to be about crows and orphans. All right, before finishing the video, I would like to point out that in order to use these services, you need to specify the API keys. So the best way, in my opinion, to do that is to use the operating system environmental variables. They're listed here: OpenAI API key, Palm API key. But if you prefer, you can in any of those cells specify API key and put the key here with equal sign or not, whatever. All right, so this was it. Thank you.